If you ever wondered what sets older men apart, or how they can naturally catch a woman's attention, this is the video for you. When it comes to what women notice first in older men, the finer details often stand out. While you might think it's all about looking distinguished, there's so much more. Today, we'll explore the 10 most important things women notice when they find an older man attractive. Master these elements, and you'll not only catch her eye but leave a lasting impression. So, sit back, relax, and let's break it all down. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what makes an older man irresistible but also how you can use these traits to your advantage. His grooming. Women notice if you've taken the time to look after yourself. A well-groomed man, whether it's a neatly trimmed beard, a clean shave, or a fresh haircut, immediately signals maturity and self-respect. It's not about looking perfect, it's about showing that you care about your appearance. Add good hygiene and a subtle, sophisticated cologne to the mix, and you'll leave a lasting impression. Remember, grooming is a small investment of time that can make a massive difference in how others perceive you. 2. His confidence. The most noticeable thing women pick up on is a man's confidence. There's something undeniably attractive about a man who knows who he is and doesn't feel the need to prove himself to anyone. Confidence isn't about being loud or arrogant. It's about being secure in your identity and comfortable in your skin. Older men often radiate this kind of self-assurance because they've had time to learn from life's experiences and embrace their strengths and flaws. How can you demonstrate confidence? Walk tall, maintain eye contact, and speak with clarity. Confidence isn't just noticed, it's felt. 3. His style. The second thing women notice is your style. A well-dressed man stands out immediately. Older men often have an edge here because they've had years to refine their wardrobe and understand what looks good on them. Whether it's a tailored suit, a classic leather jacket, or even a crisp, casual shirt, style communicates that you're put together and intentional about how you present yourself. Pro tip: pay attention to the details. A great watch, clean shoes, or a pair of glasses that suits your face shape can elevate your look dramatically. 4. His voice. A man's voice is another immediate standout. A deep, calm, and steady tone is often perceived as masculine and reassuring. Women notice not just what you say, but how you say it. Speak with clarity, take your time, and avoid rushing your words. This conveys confidence and thoughtfulness. A pro tip here is to lower your tone slightly and practice pausing for effect. A well-timed pause can make your words more impactful and captivating. 5. His body language. Women subconsciously read your body language the moment they see you. A relaxed, open posture, steady eye contact, and a genuine smile can be incredibly magnetic. On the flip side, slouched shoulders or nervous gestures can communicate insecurity. Tip: practice being present in the moment. Relax your shoulders, keep your movements intentional, and project warmth through your demeanor. A confident stance says more than words ever could. 6. His hair. Gray hair isn't a disadvantage, it's a badge of distinction. Many women find a salt and pepper look or a clean-shaven head incredibly attractive. It's about embracing your age with style and confidence. Well-groomed hair, whether it's full, thinning, or completely shaved, reflects good hygiene and self-care. Neglecting your hair can signal the opposite. Think Bruce Willis or George Clooney, confidence makes the look. A polished haircut or clean shave can transform you into someone women find irresistibly mature and sophisticated. 7. His presence. Moving on, women are drawn to a man's presence. Presence is more than just being in a room, it's how you carry yourself and the energy you bring. Older men often exude a calm, grounded energy that's incredibly attractive. This type of presence comes from experience and an understanding that you don't need to compete for attention. Be the man who listens attentively, remains composed, and knows how to engage others in a meaningful way. This level of presence is rare and magnetic. 8. His emotional stability. Another key trait women notice is emotional stability. Older men often have better control over their emotions and don't let small things rattle them. This calm and composed demeanor creates a sense of security, which women find incredibly appealing. Being emotionally stable also means you're capable of handling conflicts maturely and communicating effectively. Pro tip: practice active listening and empathy in your interactions. These traits show emotional intelligence, which is a major draw. 9. His sense of humor. Women love a man who can make them laugh. But when it comes to older men, it's not about being the class clown, it's about having a sharp, witty sense of humor that reflects intelligence and perspective. A good sense of humor shows that you don't take life too seriously and can handle challenges with a light-hearted attitude. Remember, humor is a great way to build rapport and create a relaxed, enjoyable atmosphere. 10. His ambition and passion. Last but not least, women notice a man's ambition and passion. This doesn't necessarily mean climbing the corporate ladder, it's about having goals, pursuing your interests, and living with purpose. An older man who is passionate about life, whether it's his career, hobbies, or personal growth, is incredibly attractive. Tip: share your passions with confidence and enthusiasm. When a woman sees that you're driven and purposeful, it creates admiration and curiosity. His experience. Women often find experience incredibly attractive. Older men have lived through challenges, learned lessons, and developed the depth of character that younger men often lack. When you're able to share stories, insights, and perspectives that reflect your journey, it creates intrigue and admiration. Tip: don't boast about your accomplishments, instead, share experiences in a way that's relatable and inspiring. Women appreciate wisdom and authenticity. Conclusion. And there you have it, the first 10 things women notice when they find an older man attractive. Confidence, style, grooming, and presence are just the beginning. By focusing on these traits, you're not only enhancing your attractiveness but also showing the world the best version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which of these traits you think is the most important and why. Until next time, stay confident, stay classy, and keep leveling up.